Welcome back. My name is Atisha, lecturer from Preventive College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Today we will continue with the CPH practical, that is practical number 11. So in this, assemble and deassemble a desktop system. So assembling means you are joining a parts of a computer. Deassembling means you are removing a part. Okay. So the first question is, state which processor is mounted on motherboard's processor socket. So after assembling or deassembling a desktop system, you should know where the processor is mounted on the motherboard and which processor is this. So Intel i7 is the answer. You can have different type of processor also. So you should know where to mount the processor in the motherboard. Okay. You should know how to configure the motherboard. State the model of motherboard used. So here there can be any model. For example, Asus Edge 11M CS6 generation motherboard. You can have any. So assembling and deassembling is joining the parts in the motherboard and removing the parts from the motherboard. Okay. And you should know where which part is get connected. Now the next is practical number 12. Troubleshoot computer system. So set the command used to find temporary file. So from the start menu, open the run dialog box, or you can press the Windows plus R key to open the run window. Type temp and click on the OK button. So how to find out the temporary files? Okay, temporary files means trash files, gets deleted after some amount of time. Or if you want to delete it, then you need to find out it first, right? So how to do this? Go to the command prompt, go to the run. Here type this percentage temp and percent and press on OK. So all the temporary files which of no use, you can delete this. Okay, and after deleting this, there is no harm to your computer. Okay, so you can delete this. Now the next question is, state the reasons for blank screen. So blank screen means why your computer is getting turned off, why your screen is blank. So cables are disconnected, okay, or computer graphics cards is overheated. Graphic card is used to show the screen, right, used to show the resolution pictures. So if you have just installed the computer, nothing seems to work. It could be a bad monitor or low power supply. So low power supply can also be the reason for blank screen. Now the next is practical number 13. Use diagnostic software for finding out fault and error. So diagnostic software are used to find out the errors in your software, okay, or computer. So one of the major example of a diagnostic software is antivirus. By using an antivirus, we are finding the errors or fault viruses in your computer. So antivirus is a diagnostic software. But first question is, state the name of diagnostic software. So the default diagnostic software in the computer is Windows Performance Monitor, okay. So the Windows Performance Monitor is the default diagnostic software is used in your computer, okay. The next question is, state functions of antivirus. So the purpose of antivirus software is to detect, neutralize and malware malicious software. So this is the purpose of antivirus, why we use the antivirus, okay. So it is used to find out the errors, removing the errors. So antivirus is one of the best example of diagnostic software. Now the last practical is practical number 14. That is preventive maintenance of computer. Write the steps performed to clean the motherboard. So how can you clean the motherboard? So first of all, shut down the computer. Second is deassemble the computer, means remove all the parts from the motherboard. Use compressed air blower to remove the air, to remove the dust particles, or use the isopropyl alcohol. So there is alcohol came known as isopropyl used to remove the dirt from your motherboard. Okay. Second question is, write the steps performed to clean the monitor. So how to clean the monitor? First of all, turn off it. Now there is also one liquid come LCD cleaner which you can use to clean the monitor, and then let it dry. Okay, so this is the preventive maintenance of computer. So from this our practicals are completed. Okay, thank you.